Say hi, Daddy. Hi,
Good, huh?
Here we go. We're going for a walk.
I want Caitlin to go over the first big hurdle.
I want Caitlin to turn around. Look, Caitlin, come here. Caitlin.
This is so funny.
Come this way, Caitlin. Pop, watch this. Oh, boy. She doesn't like it.
Yay!
Yay.
Come this way, Caitlin. Caitlin. Caitlin, come on.
Oh, that way?
Come here, baby girl. Hey. Hey.
Riley, why don't you come this way so you get a face?
Hi,
This one's a
Olivia. Come on, kitty cat. Yeah, is that a tree? Come on.
There's a fair, a Greek fair going on in the
Come on, kitty cat. Come on, Caitlin.
Pretty good, huh?
Good.
Yeah. I knew I was going to get it.
Hi, give Dad a kiss. No? Okay. Oh, come on, Caitlin.
Wow.
All within a pig. Guy next to me goes,
Say hi, Daddy.
Caesar's was crowded, Ellie, right?
Hi, Daddy.
And
Hi.
then Miss Purity over here says, Papa, I'm just going to play hot shots. While I'm watching the kid.
I'm helping her. Come on.